First of all, that is a tendril. You're not supposed to have a split line. So which means this part gonna go right underneath. So part of the tendril gonna go right underneath of this part. As of some people think, I should say. This complex, but it gives you a really good opportunity to, hone your skills. Put the number 11. Again, I'm gonna just turn that upside down, blend that slightly, go right underneath. Perfect cut. Don't wanna do it. Okay. So have to be careful in this area because I do have eye, something like